fact, big news as far as politics is concerned, which has escalated over NDLS stampede deaths. Let's tell you, Congress to now approach NHRC on this particular stampede. Look at the horrifying visuals that you're seeing on your screens from that particular incident. Let's tell you now, the Congress Legal and Human Rights Department is going to be filing a complaint against the Kumbh deaths and mismanagement as well. So significant inputs that we are given to understand. Now you're looking at a situation where politics has escalated. This is coming a day after how we did see the Congress mince no words while reacting to the matter, not just trading guns at the BJP, also seeking the resignation of the railway minister, also going on to term this incident as genocide. But now we're given to understand an action that the party is trying to take. They have approached the NHRC on this NDLS stampede. Visuals from February 15th when it took place. Remember, at least 18 people lost their lives and several were injured. Initial reports suggesting that there was one aspect being confusion about two particular trains, which then of course led to the chaos and confusion which resulted in the unfortunate deaths of 18 people. But the latest being that the Congress Legal and Human Rights Department to be filing the complaint against Kumbh deaths and mismanagement. All right, we'll try going across to my colleague for more inputs as far as that is concerned. But the latest that we are picking up, given action that is coming through from the Congress, that is where they're going to be approaching the NHRC on the NDLS stampede. More importantly, Congress Legal and Human Rights Department to be filing this particular complaint. What we're also given to understand at the moment, this is coming just a day after, in that particular press conference that we heard what Supriya Shrinate had also mentioned, but now a delegation of advocates to the NHRC on what happened at the New Delhi railway station will be visiting the National Human Rights Commission for filing the complaint on the death of the proper and mismanagement arrangements for the Kumbh. रंजिता, माय कोलीग जॉइंस मी फॉर मोर. रंजिता, गुड मॉर्निंग. जहां तक सवाल है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी का इस डिसीजन पे, जहां पे वो लीगल एक्शन भी सोच रहे हैं लेने के लिए, क्योंकि अनफॉर्चुनेटली जिस तरह से हमने देखा है 18 डेथ्स भी हुए हैं और मिस मैनेजमेंट और क्राउड कंट्रोल की भी अगर बात किया जाए, हम देख रहे हैं इस वक्त विजुअल्स में क्या कुछ छिड़ा था उस दिन.
बिल्कुल, देखिए, एक बड़ा हादसा नई दिल्ली रेलवे स्टेशन पर, और बार बार कांग्रेस पार्टी और विपक्षी पार्टी व्यवस्था को लेकर सवाल उठा रही है. और इन्हीं चीजों को लेकर एनएचआरसी आज दिल्ली कांग्रेस का जो डेलीगेशन है, दिल्ली कांग्रेस के अध्यक्ष है देवेंद्र यादव, उनकी अगुवाई में ये डेलीगेशन एनएचआरसी पहुंचेगी 12:30 बजे. और साफ तौर पर जिस तरह से वहाँ हादसा हुआ, जिस तरह से लोगों की मौतें हुई, उनको लेकर के एनएचआरसी को इन तमाम चीजों पर संज्ञान लेने की कांग्रेस पार्टी की इस डेलीगेशन के द्वारा कोशिश रहेगी. अपने मेमोरेंडम वो सौंपेंगे और देखना होगा कि एनएचआरसी का क्या रुख इस पूरे मामले पर रहता है.
जी रंजिता, तमाम जानकारी के लिए शुक्रिया. बट फॉर द मोमेंट वी लीव इट एट दैट.